Wealth is not lost suddenly. It declines slowly, over time. It's not through one decision, but through patterns, repeated daily, without awareness. Habits shape outcomes more than income, more than opportunity, more than timing. The first habit is uncontrolled spending. Money comes in and leaves quickly. No system, no structure, just consumption. Without direction. This prevents growth. No savings. No reinvestment. No accumulation. The second habit is short-term thinking. Focusing on now, ignoring the future. Immediate rewards replace long-term value. Spending feels good, but delays growth. This stops compounding before it begins, before it builds, before it matters. The third habit is lack of reinvestment. Income is consumed, not multiplied. Money is used, but not leveraged. Opportunities are missed. Quietly, this limits progress. Keeping income static, without growth, without expansion. The fourth habit is no financial structure. No plan, no allocation, no control. Money flows randomly, without direction, without purpose, without outcome. This creates instability, prevents consistency. Over time, across situations, the fifth habit is ignoring assets, relying only on income. Time is exchanged, without ownership, without growth. This limits potential. Income depends on effort. Effort depends on time. Time is limited. The sixth habit is avoiding learning. No financial education, no improvement, no awareness. This keeps behavior unchanged, repeating patterns without progress. Over time, these habits compound, not positively, but negatively. Small mistakes become large outcomes, gradually and consistently. Most people do not notice because change is slow, but the result becomes clear. Income exists, but wealth does not. This creates frustration, confusion, and stagnation over time. The system is simple. Habits determine outcomes. Repeated actions shape financial results. Changing habits changes direction. It's from decline to growth. Small adjustments matter. Daily decisions matter. Consistent behavior matters. More than anything else, even a small shift in spending behavior can redirect outcomes over time. Saving a portion, delaying consumption, thinking long-term. These changes seem small, but they compound, slowly at first, then noticeably, then powerfully. Most financial problems do not come from income level. They come from behavior patterns, repeated over years. Because they repeat daily, they feel normal, even when they are harmful. 3 key insights emerge. First, habits shape financial outcomes. Second, lack of structure prevents wealth. Third, consistency determines results. The difference is not income, it is behavior and discipline. Over time, wealth is built through intentional habits, not random actions, not luck. It is built slowly, through repetition, through structure, through awareness. Every financial decision either builds stability or weakens it. There is no neutral path, only direction. The question is not how much you earn. The question is how you behave with what you earn. Because wealth is not created by income alone, but by what you do after you receive it. If you want more insights into money habits, wealth systems, and financial growth, explore more videos on Wealth Finance 61. Like the video, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.